gonna meet my doggy. Yay! Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Come on, come over. Come over. Hello. Going to be behind me. My name's Tammy. Tammy. Tammy's yawning. So that? No one's looking. You gonna sit? Wanna sit first? Sit. Sit. Sit, baby. Sit, baby girl. Your ear. Say bye-bye, Tommy. Say bye-bye. No, we can't say bye-bye. Bark bye-bye. Come on. Come on. Come on. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where are you going? You're going behind me. Why are you doing that? Oh. It's my knee. I know my PJs. It's only like 8 in the morning. Hold on. Yep. Just looking at the clock. Yay, Tammy! I gotta say bye-bye then. Are you just gonna walk about? That's it in your butt. Is that nice? Come on. Good girl. Don't cry. Run over to me. Wee. What are you staring at? There's nothing over there. Staring at your lead, probably. Nail it. In there. This is your bow. Show me your bow. Pretty bow. Yay. Way. I'm allergic to cats. So I can have a cat. I like doggies better anyway. Sorry, cat lovers. My cats are okay. I wish I wasn't allergic to them. But I used to pet them. They're okay. But I just like doggies. Rah! You're trying to bite my hand? Oh, no, you're not. You don't like my hand. Okay, I get it. You're way too close to the camera. Way too close to the camera. Way back there. No. Okay, I get it. Okay. Matthew, no, don't do that, please. Please don't do that, it's rude. It's not really rude, it's kind of sore as well. No, don't even go there. No, get back. Now let's do that. You're hurting me. Come on, come get me. Come on, come get me. Come on, come on, get me. Come on, get me. Come on, get me. Whoa. Come on, get me. Okay. You gonna make it? Okay. I'm so blind, aren't I? This is our playtime.